Hello everyone. Welcome to Talk English. Today, I will tell you a simple and interesting story. The title of the story is My First Day at School. Listen carefully. This story is good for A1 and A2 English learners. Let's begin. My name is Alex. I am 7 years old. Today is a very important day for me. It is my first day at school. I wake up early in the morning. The sun is shining through my window. I open my eyes slowly. I feel nervous. My mother comes into my room. She smiles and says, "Good morning, Alex. Wake up. Today is your first day at school." I sit on my bed and look at her. I say softly, "I am scared." My mother sits next to me. She says, "Do not worry. Everything will be okay." I take a deep breath. Then I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom and wash my face. The water is cold. After that, I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I look nervous. Then I wear my new school clothes. I wear a white shirt. I wear blue pants. I also wear black shoes. Everything is new. My clothes are new. My shoes are new. My backpack is new too. I feel excited and scared at the same time. I go to the kitchen. My father is drinking coffee. He smiles and says, "Good luck today, Alex." I smile a little. My mother makes breakfast. There are eggs, bread, and milk on the table. I eat slowly because I still feel nervous. My father says, "You will make new friends today." I ask, "Really?" He says, "Of course." That makes me feel a little better. After breakfast, my mother gives me my backpack. I put it on my back. It feels heavy. Inside the backpack, I have books, pencils, a notebook, crayons, and my lunchbox. My lunchbox is blue. My favorite sandwich is inside. I feel happy about that. Then it is time to leave. We walk to school together. The street is busy. I see many children. Some children are happy. Some children are crying. Some parents are talking. I hold my mother's hand tightly. My heart is beating fast. Finally, we arrive at school. The school is very big. There are many classrooms. There is a playground too. I hear children laughing and talking. Everything feels new and different. I stand quietly next to my mother. Then a teacher walks toward us. She has a kind smile. She says, "Hello. What is your name?" I answer, "My name is Alex," she says. "Nice to meet you, Alex. I am Mrs. Brown." I smile a little. Mrs. Brown takes me to my classroom. The classroom is colorful. There are pictures on the walls. There are numbers and letters everywhere. I see many small desks and chairs. Some children are already sitting down. I feel shy. Mrs. Brown says, "Class, this is Alex." Everyone looks at me. I feel very nervous. Then one boy smiles and waves at me. I wave back, slowly. Mrs. Brown shows me my seat. I sit down quietly. Next to me is a boy with curly hair. He says, "Hi, my name is Ben." I say, "Hi." Ben smiles and says, "Do you like football?" My eyes become bigger. I say, "Yes, I love football." Ben laughs. He says, "Me too." Suddenly, I feel a little more comfortable. The class begins. Mrs. Brown writes on the board. She teaches us the alphabet. Everyone repeats after her. A, B, C, D. The classroom becomes loud and happy. Then we sing a song together. I like the song. It is fun. After that, we draw pictures. I draw my family. Ben draws a big dog. He shows me his picture. I laugh because the dog looks funny. Later, It is time for lunch. We go to the cafeteria. There are many children there. The room is noisy. I sit next to Ben. I open my lunchbox. Ben says, "That sandwich looks good." I smile. I say, "My mother made it." Ben shows me his lunch too. He has juice, an apple, and cookies. We talk and eat together. Now I do not feel alone anymore. After lunch, we go outside. It is playground time. Some children run. Some children play football. Some children jump rope. Ben asks me, "Do you want to play football?" I say, "Yes." We run to the field together. I kick the ball. The children laugh and shout happily. I start having fun. I forget about my fear. Then, something bad happens. I fall down while running. My knee hurts. I feel like crying. Mrs. Brown comes quickly. She helps me stand up. She says kindly, "Are you okay?" I nod slowly. She cleans my knee. Ben says, "Do not worry. It happens to everyone." That makes me smile. After playground time, we go back to class. Mrs. Brown reads us a story. Her voice is calm and soft. I listen carefully. The story is about a little bear. The bear is scared on his first day at school too. But in the end, the bear makes friends and becomes happy. I think about myself. Maybe I am like the little bear. Soon, the school day is almost finished. Mrs. Brown says, "You all did a great job today." Everyone smiles. Then the bell rings. School is over. I pack my bag. I say goodbye to Ben. He says, "See you tomorrow." I smile and say, "See you tomorrow." Outside the school, my mother is waiting for me. She asks, "How was your first day?" I smile very big. I say, "It was good." She looks surprised. I continue talking excitedly. I made a new friend. His name is Ben. We played football together. My mother smiles warmly. She says, "I am very happy for you." We walk home together. The sky is beautiful. I feel tired, but happy. This morning, I was scared, but now I feel strong. I learned something important today. New things can feel scary, but sometimes beautiful things happen when we try something new. At home, I tell my father everything. I talk about my teacher. I talk about Ben. I talk about football. I talk about the funny dog drawing. My father laughs. He says, "Do you see? School is not so scary." I smile proudly. He is right. At night, I lie in bed. I think about my day. I think about my classroom. I think about my teacher. I think about my new friend. I feel calm now. I close my eyes slowly. Tomorrow is another school day. And this time, I am not scared anymore. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to improve your English, listen to English stories every day. See you in the next episode of Talk English. Goodbye.